So you're taking Richie's side?
She's not taking nobody's side. Why would you say?
Because it's a prank.
Because it's a prank.
Family, so we're here. We're not that far away, but you know, we're going to a wedding, so they're gonna have hors d'oeuvres and stuff. You guys like my makeup? I'll be trying to. What are you laughing at, Tom? I'll be trying to. I told you guys I'm not a professional, okay? I just be doing a little something. I hope you guys are having a great weekend so far. Wait, some mommy?
Nothing, baby. Mind my own business.
Oh.
I thought she hiding.
Oh. I thought you guys are having. I hope you guys are having a great day. And I have these nails. Can you guys see them? I don't know if you guys can see them. This is my first time ever using this. It's a glossy thing where you see? It's like you're getting a gel nail, like a gel nail polish, but you're not. So I'm just trying something. It looks kind of weird, but it's getting there. Listen, when you be careful when you turning like that. You see I'm doing my nails? You make this stuff fall all over me.
Oh my god. So why you choosing to do your nails?
Because I didn't have any time. Don't suck your teeth at me. That's very rude.
Don't come into that fast lady, yeah. I'm gonna make you do your nails then because.
Let me do my nails.
And I didn't even turn hard.
Yeah, but yes, you did, because the stuff almost fell out of my lap. And then you gonna mess up, make my dress get messed up.
You should have bring a second dress.
Exactly. Tell her, mommy. You see? Tell her, mommy, to bring a second dress.
I'm not bringing a second dress.
Because she put on the nail now, and then she said she want me to come in camera, right, mommy? And I'm in the camera. Now I move over. It's an issue.
And
no, because
she knew she was going to a wedding, and she's the one who went and roamed the street.
Exactly.
She would have gotten her nails done yesterday.
Exactly.
I didn't want to get my nails done because it's a waste of money. Because it always comes. First of all I'm telling you is just watch the road when you're driving, because sometimes when you be driving, you be going in and out of the lanes, and I don't like that, because then you be swerving.
But
you do that a lot.
You think I'm gonna drive in and out of the lane if your mother's in a car like that?
So
no,
I
don't do it.
No, wait.
No.
So you're trying to say that you drive in and out the lanes
I don't
when it's just me in the car?
No, I don't do it. I know how your mother stay in the car. I gotta make sure everything. I can't even move. Look at me, family. I'm staying just like that.
Okay, make sure that you drive properly, because you always drive like that.
I always drive now.
You always drive like that.
Even when you in the car, I drive nice.
Whatever.
Your mother said you should have put your nails on before.
No, I'm trying something. I want to see how it is.
Okay, it's good. Okay. All right.
Let me turn this camera off, because
let me keep it Marshall, because for real, because we having a good day. Right, mommy?
No, because you always do that. When you're driving the car, you always switching in and out of lanes. You can stay in one lane. Every second you going in and out of lane. And it's not funny.
So you don't want me. All right. So what you want me to do? What you want me to do?
Listen, I know Richie's
your mother telling the truth though.
No, she's not. She doesn't drive. Mommy don't live here. Mommy doesn't drive.
But I'm talking about right now.
Exactly. How I'm driving, mommy? How I'm driving, mommy? Be honest. How I'm driving? Don't think because it's your daughter. How I'm driving?
You're driving good.
All right. Thank you very much.
No, mommy mommy just wants to say that because she was hoping get there and take pictures.
No. Your mother doesn't say something if I was driving.
Because you're behind cars, they're slow, so
exactly.
You get to the
exactly. And your mother telling the truth. No, she's not picking up for me. No, she's picking up for nobody. She's being honest, because I'm driving right. I'm not looking at my phone or doing nothing. So now you put on your nails. Now I made a signal to go over there to make it. You said I'm gonna mess up your dress. Why you never bring two dresses?
And he didn't turn just to mess up your nail.
Exactly. I didn't turn to mess up your nail. Exactly. You see that?
But don't talk.
All right, you don't talk then. Don't talk then too, because I'm just driving, because I don't want you to say I pissed you off and then whatever. We're having a good time now, and everybody here, we're going to drive and have a good time.
Yes, that's it.
Exactly, we're going to have a good time. That's it. Your mother telling the truth, so I don't know what you say, mommy. Your mother telling the truth. Yeah, glad your mother in the car. See, don't come out and leave that too.
You see what I'm saying?
I'm seeing that the car's breaking up. Yeah, the car's breaking up. Yeah, and you see the police officer. He slowed down. You see the police officer now.
Sean, it would have cost them out.
Yeah. police officer coming in the town. I don't know where the police are coming up. When he coming, if that guy break up, see where you going. Oh, you going over there? You better stay over there. Break up. What's one thing when they do what you call it? When they see police, they break up.
Yeah. Instead of doing the right thing all along, you'll be good.
Yep, catch him. I know.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, you going for somebody.
You saw him before?
Yeah, I saw him over there, and that's why the guy break up on me.
Ah. Got you.
You feel better now?
Zoom.
Stop.
Wow.
Stop.
So now I pissed you off. Okay. I'm gonna pay attention to that. Oh my god. Now you mad, huh? What are you mad for? Hello? Talk to me now.
Oh man, I was just sucking my tongue, mommy. I haven't sucked my tongue in years.
So, yeah, you catch somebody, yeah. So you're not talking to me now?
Talk to me, Richie.
She not talking to me. I don't know what did I do to get you mad? And you always talking about I always get mad. What did I do? Your mother's sitting back there, your mother's seen everything. I'm driving right. Look at it. The police could have pulled me over just now. I'm driving right. I ain't doing nothing. What I did wrong? Tom, what I did wrong? Talk. Your mother's here. I want every...
Oh, be quiet. Stop acting like you're some innocent person. Talk. Cut it out.
Oh my God. What did I do wrong? Mommy, be honest. What did I do wrong?
I'm trying to find out.
You checked it? You checked it?
No. See now?
Why making go on his phone and he's driving?
You see that? You see that?
No. I didn't make him go on the phone.
You see that?
But you said checked it.
No, I'm talking about he's checking like his area. I'm not talking about his phone.
Oh.
I don't care about making your business in his phone. You better make sure you pay attention to the road.
I'm paying attention to the road. If I wasn't paying attention to the road, I'd just get a ticket. I seen the car.
Mommy.
I text you. Wait. I text you at lunch, right? And I asked if you could have made me something when I come home.
Oh my God!
You know I don't eat on the weekend. I told your mother that when I came and I said, Mommy, I don't eat on the weekends because I know we're gonna do video.
Oh, okay.
And you couldn't. Look at this guy. You couldn't even make me something, and you say he's gonna do it. And you just run on the road. And that's why I called you actually where you was. I didn't get mad because of that. You know what I'm saying? I said, all right, cause she going on the road to go do something. Right. Why you didn't make the thing? Why you didn't make the food?
Richie, you know we're going to a wedding. There's gonna be food there, and on top of that, okay, if you were to go ahead and eat, it would take too long. How am I supposed to make something?
If I didn't call you, you'd still live on the road.
No, that's not true. I was already on my way home.
Best thing I just keep my mouth shut now, because I know I don't want to argument that we're going to have a good time. That's the best thing I do, keep my mouth shut. Because you already started ready for me to say I'm driving bad and I ain't doing anything. So, glad your mother in the car to see that. That's all I got to say. I'm about to get off and get some eat. I can get something to eat.
No, we can't get off. We got somewhere to go. We can't get off and get something to eat. That doesn't make any sense.
So when I reach on the full idea, what if we have enough time? Could I get something to eat? Yes or no?
No, because first of all, you know how mommy is. She's not gonna want us to stop somewhere else.
No.
She's already like on a time crunch. No, you know what? This one I don't like because.
But all right,
he's doing this on purpose, mommy. He's doing this on purpose because
how I'm doing it on purpose? No, I'm not doing it. How I'm doing it on purpose? What are you talking about?
Usually when we go somewhere, we fill our belly first before we go.
But mommy, that's not even the point, mommy. I asked her. She didn't even tell me she was going on the road. I texted her before I left on break time. I said, all right. When you was in the car with her, I even texted her. I said, could you get me something to eat because you know I'm not gonna eat nothing. I didn't know she was going on the road to go do all of this stuff. I thought it was already done already. And then when I came home, I said, all right, there was nothing. I said, okay, no problem then. She's busy doing her stuff on the road. You know what I'm saying? But I didn't say nothing wrong about that. My gosh. Always me.
It is always you. It's always you. Every time we're going somewhere, mommy, this is what happens. He start problems with me. And he creates an argument.
Me? Yes. I start problems?
Yes, you.
Oh my gosh.
You.
I'm driving,
Yes, you.
watching the road, and you tell me
Every
you do your
time. It
nails.
doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
I didn't tell you do your nails
I
in
can
the
never
car.
have a good time. You always gotta ruin it every single freaking time. I don't even know why I even invited you to the wedding for. It should just be me and Mommy went.
All right, I'm just gonna drop you off and then I'm gonna drive back and go.
No, so how are we gonna get home?
How you gonna get home?
No, yeah, right.
I'm just gonna drop you home, drop
No.
you there, and then y'all go. Your mother go
No,
enjoy yourself.
I'm gonna drop.
Since you said you should have taken
We're gonna go to the wedding. You find your way home. You find your way home. I don't want you to
What
come
the
to the wedding.
hell going on in this car?
Mommy, she's not being.
Wait a minute. Is it a prank?
She's
Are you
not
guys
being
pranking
fair.
me?
A prank?
You guys pranking me?
No.
Mommy, she's not being fair.
Mommy, we don't even do pranks on our channel. The little 2-3 pranks that we did, we don't even do pranks on our channel.
It's alright. It's alright.
It's an underlying issue because Richie gets on my nerves.
But what did I do to get on your nerves, though?
Because,
what did I do?
First of all, it's like if he was at work,
gosh.
he would eat his food. He know that I'm not gonna cook today because we're going to the wedding. So it's like I had to run around and get stuff done.
But I don't eat on the weekends. I even tell your mother that I don't
but
eat
why
on
didn't
weekends.
you stop and get something to eat on your way home? Why I have to make you something? That makes sense? You're coming home.
Oh, wow.
Why would I cook a whole meal and we're going to a wedding?
And you didn't have to cook nothing. You could at least make something that was in look how much food that was in the fridge still left over. You always have food in the freezer and stuff like that. All I said, you could just make something for me to come home. Well, see, I'm messing up your nails, but you're busy looking at nails. Nobody mess up your nails. You talking just want to come start a problem, you know. Next thing you want to drive? You want to drive?
I'm not driving.
Cause since I'm swerving, you want to drive?
I'm not driving. That's all I know.
I know. So mommy, you gonna drive? mommy not drive. All right then. So you better be quiet because I'll pull over right now. You go drive.
I wish you would pull over. I wish you would pull over. See, this is the stuff that you do all the time. Oh, I'm gonna pull over. Oh, I'm not gonna go. Oh, take me home. I wish you would pull over.
Turn it.
No, don't touch. This is my car. Don't touch my stuff.
You see, I'm avoiding you, and you still bothering me, Tom. You still bothering me. Turn on the music. I don't want it, because I just want to focus on riding. Because now you already pissed me off now. Because I ain't do nothing to you. Nothing.
Yeah, you did. Learn how to drive.
All right. That's why I don't like driving your car, you know. I don't like driving. Every time I have to go, I drive. I don't have no problem. I drive, and then it's still a problem. No matter what I do, if I'm driving to go with it, I don't have a problem because you don't like driving. So I would drive, and then you still having a problem. You still having a problem when I drive, and I ain't do nothing wrong.
You never do anything wrong. That's a problem.
Your mother was in the car. She saw it. I ain't do nothing.
No, mommy's just picking up.
No, she's not picking up. She's being honest. She's being honest. I didn't do nothing wrong. If I did something wrong, police would have pulled me over just now. Did the police pull me over? Since you say I was swerving. Obviously, I wasn't swerving.
And I would have said something
Exactly.
to you.
You know what?
Mommy, why are you yelling?
I just want to turn on the music. Mommy, could you turn on the music? Please?
No.
Because I don't want.
Mommy, why are you yelling?
Oh my God.
Mommy.
Your mother not even acting now. You know you piss everybody off.
So you're not talking to me now, mommy?
I don't know what to say.
But you piss every mommy, you being honest. I didn't do anything wrong. I thank God you was in the car because every time she say I drive, mommy, it's always an issue. She don't like driving. All she do is like sit down. She's just like sitting down right there and don't say nothing, mommy. I drive. You too. But mommy, look at that chair in the road.
A chair?
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
Wow, that's gonna create an accident.
But mommy, I drive. I don't care where to drive. I don't mind driving, but if I'm driving, it's always here. Richie, you gotta pay attention. I am paying attention. I don't even go on my phone. I don't do nothing. I don't touch nothing. I just drive. But it's a problem right now.
You know
and
what?
then now,
you know
I try to look. You see
don't
that?
touch me.
You
know
see
what?
that?
Mommy, I'm not going to the wedding. Just drop me off and I'm gonna have Vanessa come pick me up.
What do you mean I drop you off and go pick you up?
Drop me off
No,
at my
I'll
job.
drop you out there and then I just find a way to go.
Drop me at my job and I'll have Vanessa come pick me up.
No worry. No,
Yeah.
I'll drop you off. No,
Call her right now.
No, don't call your sister. Why you call your sister for? I'ma go, and then just my mother come pick me up.
No,
That's it.
no.
Because now you created a problem. I didn't create a problem. You created a problem. I'm gonna keep my mouth shut and just drive, yo. Turn the thing.
No, I can't turn the music on. I'm talking on the phone.
So you gonna call? What are you calling your sister for? Why are you calling your sister for? Oh my God. Now,
Vanessa?
Why are you calling your sister for?
Yeah, listen, I'm not going to this wedding. Richie pissed me off, so I'm gonna have him drop me off, and can you come pick me up, please, at the job?
But why are you calling your sister for?
What do you mean? What's going on? Richie's here driving like a maniac in the road.
How I'm driving like a minute? Ask your mother. Your mother just had me say I didn't do nothing. I didn't even drive.
No, it's not. I'm so mad because mommy is just taking his side. Every minute she's like, oh, Richie's driving fast.
But she's being honest.
Swerving at the road.
All right.
I almost dropped the stuff out of my lap.
But nobody tell you to put your nails on. Why you didn't do that at the house?
I just don't want to go to this wedding.
Oh my God.
My whole vibe is broken right now.
Why would you call your sister for?
Because I want to.
Made no sense, yo. No sense.
I'm calm. I don't want to go.
Shawnette, your mother was in the car. Your mother saw everything. I did not do nothing. Nothing I did. She just wanted to start with me because I tell her she started earlier I tell her to make something for me because I know I'm not gonna eat nothing.
Oh my gosh, this guy is always yelling. All he does is yell every time. See how he's yelling?
Put your sister on the speaker.
No.
You call her, somebody will put her on speaker.
All right, fine.
Shawnette.
Vanessa, you on speaker.
Shawnette.
Yes?
Listen. Listen, I'm driving, right? I signal. A car stopped, slow down in front of me, right? I almost run up in the back of the car and there was a police there, right? Then your mother, she said, I'm driving bad. I said, how I'm driving bad? And the car stopped, pull his brakes on me and I swerve out the way. You understand what I'm saying? And then I'm signaling left or right, Shawnette. She getting mad at me talking about I'm driving bad. I almost spilled the stuff what she doing on her nails. It's not my fault. Nobody tell you do the nails right now while we driving. I had to swerve out the lane. I didn't even swerve. I signaled and came because the man stopped on me and the police pulled the man over in front of me. How I'm driving bad? And then she gonna come call you complaining.
Are you coming to get
Why
me?
would your sister come? Why would your sister come and come get you for? Your mother's right here. Shawnette, you on speaker. Ask your mother what happened. Your mother not gonna ask her. Ask her what happened, Shawnette. She's right here.
Mommy, what happened? What happened, Mommy?
Mommy, please talk because now you think I'm the problem. Mommy, say something, Mommy, because now she's not talking.
Hello?
Oh my gosh.
Are you still driving?
I'm still driving. I'm at exit 66 Forest Hill now. Your mother's right here in the back.
Richie, you want to take the next exit and just turn around and let's go back.
All right, I'm gonna take the next exit and then turn around and just go back home. Mommy, I will drop you there. I don't have an issue dropping you there. You want me to drop you there, Mommy, and then y'all go? No, my mother lives. My mother could pick me up.
I don't know how to get back home.
No, you could get back home. You and your daughter could get back
I'll
home.
call you back.
Mommy, I would drop you off there.
Mommy, so you're taking Richie's side?
She's not taking nobody's side. Why would you say?
Because it's a prank.
Because it's a prank.
I'm gonna motherfucking both of you motherfuckers. Draw my ass in this fuck and then draw Charlotte in this fuck and I do this fuck and I'm sitting there.
You know how long I want to laugh? I am
fucking sitting there and I said, this is gonna be a motherfucking prank. Shinies don't talk to each other like this.
Exactly.
Motherfucking prank. And I'm watching your eyes in the corner.
But she looking up. That's why I couldn't look at you too much. And your mother looking like, all right, what's going on right here?
Like,
what's going on?
They don't talk to each other like that.
Wait, Tom. You know how long I want to laugh?
Yo,
Richie,
team the greedy couple.
Richie, I am watching my daughter eyes.
Oh my God! I know you watching.
This is a fucking prank. This is a prank. And I said I'm gonna shut my freaking mouth because this is a prank.
But Mommy,
wait,
Mommy, I appreciate you was being honest.
Yeah.
You ain't picking for nobody.
No.
You see, good. You see that family? Mommy didn't pick up for nobody because she know I'm driving right. Tom.
I know this shit was a prank. They don't talk to each other like that. And I said it. Family. Didn't I say it was a prank?
Oh my gosh.
Wait until I get home. I'm gonna kick some ass.
Oh gosh, you got Mommy got you good.
Mommy said, turn back home right now and then drive.
I was shocked when she said that.
Yes,
I thought she was
Mommy,
gonna say.
I didn't expect you to say turn back home.
I thought you was gonna say, well, drop me off and y'all go about your business.
I did not expect you to say that.
Wow. Because all this time I says a prank.
Yeah.
But when Charlotte come on,
yes.
That means Charlotte is part of the prank.
Yes.
That means all of this was set up. But I said no, it can't be that easy.
See, that's how we do it off.
And then I said, okay, no, this is not a prank.
It's serious.
And I said, okay, Richie, next exit, and just go.
Yep. That's why I called her.
Mommy,
I said, drop me off.
You know I want to laugh a long time.
You know how long I want to laugh? And then I started crying on the phone.
Yeah, then she cried.
Shanice's
your mother
eyes,
watching you.
Shanice's eyes been
Oh
giving
my
it away
God.
because
When?
Shanice, Richie, Shanice speaking anger, but her
Yeah.
eyes was not showing it. And
But
I'm
she was
watching Shanice's
crying.
eyes.
No, that's because I'm like
She trying to hold
I'm
it.
trying to hold it, but
Oh
it's like
my God. Wow.
Poor mommy.
And I said to myself, Ronnie, I said, but you didn't do nothing wrong.
Exactly, man.
But you should still have my side.
No, she being honest. I didn't do anything wrong. Family, you see that? Mommy was being honest, and I like that. Yes, I didn't do anything wrong. So mommy would say something.
Richard knows
Yes.
that can't pick up the phone and use it with me in the car.
And then when I got pick up the phone, she say, "Why you picking up the phone?"
He was taking too long to say because he was supposed to say I'm gonna get something to eat.
I know,
you
but
taking
wait.
forever.
No, but I wanted to wait a little bit more. I was gonna say it, but I wanted to go a little bit more. That oh my God, I got a headache.
All right, family, we are out. We hope you enjoyed this prank. We got our mother. We've been planning this for months. We couldn't wait for her to come.
We was waiting for this, family.
All right.
There you go.
Right, honey? Bye.
Bye.